Railways is all set to bring some major changes in the passenger reservation system, PRS system, also in the passenger reservation chart system. So as of now, the passenger reservation chart is prepared 4 hours before the departure of the train. But now the big change that is going to be rolled out in phased manner, that the passenger reservation chart will be prepared 8 hours before the departure of the train. Special provisions have been made that if the train is departing by 2 p.m. the next day, then the chart will be prepared till 9 p.m. the previous day. So this special provision has also been made. Now this system of preparing or advancing the chart preparation is done to bring a better clarity to the railway passengers, and anxiety should be removed. That is the core point, and also this will help the passengers, those who approach the railway stations from remote locations. So that's the one of the major change. In addition to this, Railway Ministry is also going forward to upgrade the existing passenger reservation system. The current per minute ticket booking is 32,000. It is going to be upgraded to 1.5 lakh tickets booking per minute. 5 times force this capacity enhancement is going to take place. In addition to this, the inquiry also, when a passenger makes the inquiry, currently the system can handle 4 lakh inquiries per minute, and this will be upgraded and enhanced to 40 lakhs, 10 times fold. So 40 lakh inquiries can be handled by the passenger reservation system. Now this entire system is likely to be upgraded by this year end, and this will also come up with many new features, user-friendly features. For example, the passenger can actually select the preferred seat. Also the Divyang friendly options will be there. So these sort of passenger friendly features will also be rolled out. From 1st of July, only Aadhaar card linked and verified user ID can book the Tatkal ticket, and by the end of July, OTP based Aadhaar verification will be done while booking a Tatkal ticket through the counter or even through the IRCTC platform.